So the question I chose for this video is, what advice would you give to a student next year who might choose to research the same social movement that you research? What did you do well in your research process that contributed to the effectiveness of your final part, and why? So there are a total of two advices that I want to give students next year who will choose this their cell welfare incident topic. So the first is that if the students are really bad at Korean, they shouldn't choose this topic. Since this incident happened only in Korea, unlike such movements such as Me Too that happen in various countries, um, since this only happened in Korea, most of the resources you'll find is in Korean. And if you don't have the ability to deeply analyze the article that is written in Korean, you really shouldn't choose this topic. Even though there are some English sources from the New York Times and other famous article websites, they aren't as deep as the Korean news sites. So it is really important to choose Korean news articles in this process. So once again, if they don't have the ability to read Korean properly or able to translate into English properly, then they shouldn't choose this topic. Second advice that I will give them is to meet during the research process also, instead of make during the website making process. Even though it's important to meet while making the website itself, I think it's more important to meet while doing the actual research. If you meet together during the research process and talk with your partner and ask questions to each other, you'll be able to more deeply cover this topic, and you'll be able to save time. My partner Lauren and I met several times during the research process and also called while researching, and we helped each other understand words that we didn't know. And we also asked questions to each other, and we analyzed the same source. So as a result, we were able to save time while having more knowledge through the research process.